Once you're finished making the mix, then you can put it in the fridge, set aside, cover it up, and then take it out for when you actually need it. Take cooking spray and spray all over your tray. This will prevent everything from sticking onto your tray. Start off by cutting them into longer strips and cutting them into smaller pieces. You don't want to cut the chicken way too thick or way too thin, otherwise they won't cook properly. Once you have everything in the tray, you want to only put the sauce on the peppers and the onions, making sure that you don't put any on the chicken. Then you want to take about 2 to 3 pinches of tandoori powder and a pinch of salt, and you want to add half of a lemon into it. Now you want to pour the sauce only over the chicken. Now you want to go ahead, mix the chicken first, and then you can combine everything else together and mix it all together. Go ahead and preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your oven has preheated, put it into the middle rack and we can start. Once the time is done and you see that there's some water inside of your tray, what you can do is you can turn off your oven and then just leave the tray inside and let all the water evaporate and then take it out. But make sure you don't leave it in there too long, otherwise the chicken's going to become really dry.